Hi guys, it's your girl Sen. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to take off the roof. We're gonna attempt. It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
It's so hot.
It's hot in Miami. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. So I'm going to leave my car in the garage just in case it rains tomorrow. But we're going to go. It's not funny.
You have a hard time roof.
Okay, anyways, we're gonna try and take off the roof today. It's pretty hot in Miami right now, but like I said before, the weather in Miami is bipolar. So it could be sunny right now, but it could probably rain in the next 2 to 3 minutes. So let's get the roof off. So I have to take off my side. Oh yeah, you're hot. Okay, take my side off first. Take this off. My brother's gonna take off his side, and then we're gonna take these two off. So Nick is gonna take off my side first. So he's gonna get out of the car and take my side off because I am a princess, so he has to do it. So he's gonna go ahead and take off this side. So go ahead, Nick.
How do you do?
And then we're gonna store them in the trunk of the Jeep. So this side comes out first, and then the passenger side comes out second. So he's gonna go ahead and store it in the back, but for now, leave it there.
Oh God, these are plastic.
Oh my God. So we're gonna store them in the back.
She just almost killed me.
You'll be fine. He's very dramatic. So we're gonna go.
See you get your legs stuck too hard.
You're very dramatic. Nobody told you to park in front of me. So he's gonna go ahead. You can store them flat. They do come with this to store them, but I'm not gonna put them in there because it could rain like in any minute. So I want to just go ahead and make sure I keep these in handy just in case it does rain. I can just go ahead and put them in real quickly. So this is the first half off, and my brother is moving his car. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel because he will be, there he goes, showing off. He will be doing a lot of videos of his Hemi, so make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to his channel. I will leave it down below so you guys can go ahead and follow him. So this is stored in my trunk. You have to close this first. You have to close that first. See, he's not about that Jeep life, so he wouldn't know. So you have to close this first, and then
push it down.
Close that. Someone's excited.
Alright, let's get these people off the road. She put the wrong person in the driver's seat.
So seatbelt first.
Safety first, guys.
Yes, and then you're gonna go ahead and put it. I feel like I'm teaching you how to drive when you already know how to drive. So you're just adjusting your seat because he's so long. I'm really short, so I have to go all the way up in the front. Yeah, I'm really short. So you put it in drive.
I made 100 on my driver's test. Thank you very much.
Oh my God, this is so funny. So this is my brother Nicholas.
What a dealio.
So he's going to help me put the tops back on the Jeep because I feel like it's gonna rain tomorrow. And I looked on my weather app on my Apple iPhone, and it is going to rain. So, and we're going on vacation for a week, and I don't want to leave the top off while I'm on vacation. So
You're not that bold anyway.
yeah, so this is where I stored them, and he's gonna go ahead and put on that side, because you have to put the passenger side first and then you put the driver's side. So he's gonna go ahead and put these bad boys in. You want to make sure that this is down and that you align this white piece in here. Boom.
Stickity, rolling.
And then you want to make sure it's nicely secured. And then he's going to grab the other pieces out of the truck. And by the way, my brother is single, just in case y'all want to know. My brother is single, so all you ladies, y'all trying to holla, go ahead and subscribe to his channel because he will be doing videos on his Hemi. Right there. Let's give him a sneak peek of it, Nicholas, you know. See? Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel because he will be doing a video on this bad boy. It's down in the bio. Yeah.
Which way should we go?
Left. We're in the neighborhood, so it doesn't really matter.
Oh, bro. The cup is still on the car.
Oh, shit. We forgot the cup on the... We forgot the cup.
Thank God there's no roof.
Look at that. Oh, we forgot the cup